Here's problem 1 from the 2017 AMC 8. Which of the following values is largest? Choice A is 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 7. Choice B is 2 times 0 plus 1 plus 7. Choice C is 2 plus 0 times 1 plus 7. Choice D is 2 plus 0 plus 1 times 7. And choice E is 2 times 0 times 1 times 7. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key here is order of operations. We do all the multiplication first, and then the addition. Let's evaluate each choice one at a time. Choice A has no multiplication, so we just add. 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 7 equals 10. Choice B, 2 times 0 is 0, then 0 plus 1 plus 7 equals 8. Choice C, 0 times 1 is 0, then 2 plus 0 plus 7 equals 9. Choice D, 1 times 7 is 7, then 2 plus 0 plus 7 equals 9. Choice E is all multiplication, and multiplying by 0 gives 0. Comparing all the results, 10 is the largest value. So the answer is choice A. 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 7, which equals 10.